Hey fellow business owners, today I'm going to talk about how to connect Google Ads to Google Analytics. This is very important to set up conversion tracking and sharing data between the sources of Google Ads and Analytics. It should take about 5 minutes, so stay with me. And if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for post notifications. My name is Mac Frederick, and every week I like to talk about digital marketing, Google, SEO, and all things related to growing small businesses. So, in this video, let's talk about how to connect Google Ads to Google Analytics. Now, how do you get to these platforms? So we'll start with ads first. You can type in ads.google.com and then you can type in analytics.google.com. From there, you'll want to sign into your account. I'm going to sign into the account for Posh Pro. It's my friend's account, and this is a brand new Google Ads account that does not have tracking set up. So I'm going to minimize myself here. And right here we can see Google Ads, where you're going to find the linking up here in the top right. So this is like the premium dashboard, not the smart campaigns or local campaigns. So in this dashboard in the top right, tools and settings, and then you'll see in setup there is linked accounts. You'll click over there. Once you're here, you can see Google Analytics, and you want to make sure you're using the same email for both the accounts. So if you're using your Gmail or a business email, one of the things I like to do is turn on optimize sharing, and you can turn on auto tagging, which if they're connected correctly, it would help you auto tag certain aspects of the account. Once you're in here, you can see there, we have access to a lot of different Google Analytics accounts. You can go through and try to find all these. Another way I like to go about it is going into Google Analytics, and you want to search for the website that you're working with. If it's just yours and your business, you should have it right here. Here's the website. It's the UA, all website data. So I'm going to move myself in the bottom right. I'm going to go to admin quick. You need to make sure you're a manager or admin, and you want the owner to have access. If you need help with selling anything on Poshmark, hit them up. I like to have a lot of these things turned on, and then you can accept some of these terms. This is all basic stuff to save the profile. But to link the accounts, I also like to look at the property settings. Posh Pro website, GA category. You can put, what is this? Education. Allow manual tagging, UTM, enable demographics. I like to turn all these things on, save that. You can also set up Google Analytics tracking info on the website. Make sure that is set up. One thing you can do to check that is type in your website, download Google Tag Assistant from the Chrome extension store, which is this little Chrome extension here, Google Tag Assistant. So once you have that downloaded, right here you can download that. You can go to your website, click this button, make sure your website is on and working. You'll want to enable tracking and then refresh your screen. And we do have a global site tag and the Google Analytics tag, so it looks like that is working correctly. The global site tag is also known as Google Tag Manager. Google Analytics is moving over to GA4, which is their new upgraded version, which you will see in your account here, GA4. The setup is a little different for connecting this, so you want to make sure you connect this before it's too late, so you get the tag instructions and get that set up. Jumping back into this version, in Google Analytics you can see the dashboard, the traffic, the audiences, all this good information here, and you want to set up different behavior and conversion goals. It's very important. but for the sake of the video, we're going to go to Google Ads links. And this should be very easy to link if you're using the same email for both accounts. If you're a marketing agency and manage a lot of accounts, what you can do is simply search for your customer ID number, 696. You can scroll through it, or Command F for find, type in 696, and scroll down here. Right here you'll find the account. We're going to check that button, that little box. Won't be any of these. You're going to hit continue. You just want to link Google Ads, you can name it. Turn on all website data and link accounts. And then you can create remarketing audiences or import goals. Those are important too for anything e-commerce or transaction or sales oriented. You can see the group is linked here, so we have successfully linked it. Now we're going to jump back into Google Ads, and we're going to Command R for refresh the page. We do want to make sure things are linked, so just double checking it on Google Ads end. And we can try to refresh this. And I'll just search Posh. Scroll down, Posh Pro website, one view. Correct. So now we have it linked. You can import lists, you can import site metrics, you can do all these things. This will show you bounce rates and all that important information, conversion tracking, once you set up conversion tracking. Now we have the accounts linked, and so within the campaigns you should be able to see conversion data. If you have conversion set up, you can see bounce rates, pages per session, so on and so forth. So that is how you set up and link Google Ads to Google Analytics. I hope this is helpful. If you have any questions or want me to go into more detail, leave a comment below. If you haven't yet, make sure to hit that like, share, subscribe, turn on the bell for post notifications. We will post this as a blog on our website as well, needmomentum.com. My name is Mac Frederick. Check out all of our other videos, and I hope this was helpful, and I hope you get more leads and success with Google Ads. Thanks. See you next time. Keep hustling.